everybody. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. In this How to Draw video, we're going to be drawing a super cute pineapple character.
Pineapple, my favorite fruit.
Yeah, one of my favorite fruits as well. Yeah. So, well, we hope you follow along and with us and have lots of fun. Are you ready to get started?
Yes.
Okay, let's get drawing. All right, so let's draw the shape of the pineapple first, or the body. So it's a nice big round shape. So it's quite rounded. It's almost a bit of a rectangle, oval sort of shape.
Because it's kind of an oval.
Yeah. Alright, good job. Now, next thing I'm going to draw is the leaves on top of the pineapple.
Yeah.
So it's got a really cool pattern. It's got one leaf going to the left and another one to the right, left, right, and so on and so on.
Left, right, left,
Yeah.
right, left.
So let's draw that. So it's one big kind of a curve. It's almost like a half a banana shape. We'll do a shape like that. And then we'll do another one on the other side. And this one I'm going to start on the curve here and go down like that. And then we just follow it through. So the next one, we start on the curve pointing to the right, but the leaf is going to the left.
Then we keep on doing it.
Yeah, so just do that. So we'll probably do 3 on each side. So we've got about 6 leaves. I think that would be nice. Okay, yeah, so that is the basic pineapple. Well, I think we're going to make it a super cute character, so we're going to put a little face on it and maybe some arms and legs as well. Alright, so let's draw some eyes. I'm going to draw it in the bottom half here. I'm just going to make a nice,
Oval.
I think a big oval like that.
Then do something on the other side.
Same thing on the other side.
And to make it a bit cuter, you just can put 2 circles inside of your light.
That's right, you can put 2 circles in there. It just makes it look like its light is reflecting on the eyes, and it just gives it a super cute look to it.
So cute.
Yeah. And we're going to draw a mouth on it as well. I think we're going to draw a really big smiley mouth on it. So a big curve like that, and a little one on the top, and then give it a big tongue like that. And you can give it eyelashes. That is fine as well. That's cool. And I think what I'll do is on the side here, I'm going to draw a little oval. So that's kind of rosy cheeks there. And you can use eyelashes. I think I'll give mine some little eyebrows as well.
I did eyelashes and eyebrows.
Yeah, so nice and high, nice curve, and it gives it a very happy look. Alright, now let's draw some arms. Yeah, so on this side here, I'm going to make him look like he's waving. So a big curve going up like that. And I think we'll give him little hands as well. So just add 4 little lines like that.
And that's going to leave like a little curve.
Yeah, you can do it that way as well. And then on the other hand, he's just relaxing his hand down like that. And again, you can give just 4 little lines in there. It looks like his hand. Right, and let's draw some legs. So we're going to draw a leg under here. I'll give a bit of a curve. You know when you stand up straight, you're not perfectly standing up straight. And we'll do the same like that. And just going to draw some little feet there. Just like a little oval shape there.
I'm doing big shoes.
You can do big shoes. That looks really funny actually. Oh, good. Alrighty, so there we go. There's our pineapple all drawn up. The next thing is to colour it. And we're back. So we've finished colouring in, and I think they look really good. I've just added some extra details on the leaf there as well. And of course, with the pineapple, they've got sort of a crisscross pattern. So I've just done it in a darker brown there. And tell me, what have you done with yours?
I put it 4 cheeks and also 4 eyes and also 2 mouths.
That is absolutely crazy, but I love what you've done there. So that's great. You can really make it your own there. And yeah, it looks like a really fun character. Are you happy with your drawing?
Yeah.
That is great. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you followed along and had lots of fun as well. Check out our channel. We've got lots of other drawings for you to enjoy. We'll see you again next time.
Bye.